conversation on a very, very startup-oriented topic of entrepreneurship essentials. But it's really something that all of us can pick up and learn and implement parts of it, and whether you want to use it to improve your career or go up the corporate ladder or start something entrepreneurial or whatever it is that works and resonates for you.
This taught me about the entrepreneur mindset, really, which is about living in the realm of possibilities. So really, not really thinking, okay, is it just I've been trained in one way and so I have to be a certain way. This for me was that willingness to learn something new, and the confidence that I can rise up to the challenge. So these two things I've found have been very helpful.
And failing many times. So that is something I found, that having the courage to fail even more than once is very critical, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Just set goals, right? Set goals, and then you need that not just for yourself but also your team. Right? So you know that you have to work with your team. So there needs to be some planning, of course. There needs to be clarity, at least in terms of few steps that you need to take.
So a few things. One is the ability to stay centered is very, very critical, right? Like
that state, you're able to, okay, fine, my mind is calm. Evaluate it. See balance, which makes more good a time as any for us to do it. And if you have the wherewithal to do it, I would say go for it. More power to you. That would be my thought again. But I mean, you seem to have thought it through pretty well. Thing to something that is more unpredictable. Initial financial modeling will help, at least thinking it through your investment versus what you see as the fund flows. And I tell you, I mean, it's not easy. It's not an easy game for sure. And it's not for the faint-hearted either. That's where I found personally the meditation, all of the practices help me. And they help me reinforce the faith that, I can do this. I can make this work. And, as Raghu pointed out, you're not just in it for yourself. You're responsible for all of the people who are working with you, as well as to the client that you're serving, right? So you're taking on more responsibility as an entrepreneur. So think through it, obviously.